Welcome guys to the introduction tutorial of the new tutorial series, that is the C++ tutorials. And in this tutorial we're going to talk about the general purpose programming language, that is C++. What does I mean by general purpose programming? I will explain to you in just a moment. But apart from general purpose programming, C++ also implements a lot more, like object oriented programming. Then it also implements it can be used as a server side scripting language in a web development, and it can also be used as a web application development language. And there are a lot of things that you can do with C++ language. Why starting with the C++ language is one basic thing that needs to be understood is before there are a lot of programming languages, right? Before learning every programming language, we must basically understand what is a programming language and how does this programming works. So the basic of every general purpose programming language, or even the apart from the general purpose programming languages, apart from them, the web development programming languages or any other programming languages can also be, this basic can also cover the things that are used in other programming languages. Well, there are a lot of programming languages like Java, C, Python, and then there is a Ruby, and the web development programming languages like JavaScript or PHP and so on. Now basically the way of working in a program is similar. The way you develop a particular program, the syntax is different. And why starting with the C++ is because it has a complete package. Okay, so we will just start this general purpose programming languages from the start to the end, and then we will also talk about like object oriented programmings. Then we will talk about how to handle data structures and how to create applications and a lot of other stuffs. And you can do that completely with C++. Hence C++ is like a complete package, right? So is Java, but it's one of the languages that I learned first, and it's very easy to learn. Okay, so let's talk about what do you need for learning this C++ programming language. Basically, first thing that you need is a laptop with an operating system, or a personal computers with operating systems, be it any operating system, be it Microsoft Windows, be it Mac operating system, or be it any other Linux or Linux supported operating systems. This works very same. And for that we need an environment, we need a integrated development environment, and the one which we're going to use is a CodeBlocks. Okay, and just go to your browser and type the word CodeBlocks over here. Okay, and go to the first link, that is a codeblock.org. okay, go to the download section, and you can see a lot of things like download the binary layers and the source code or the SVN source code. Just go to the download the binary release, and there is a lot for they produce or they develop the code blocks for multiple platforms, be it Windows operating system, be it a Linux operating system, or be it a Mac operating system. So it's very easy to just download this and install it on your computers. And I'm working on a Windows one, so The people who are working in the Windows, you have to download this min.gw setup.exe file, or this one over here, uh, because this has the complete package. Sorry, okay, what's happening? This one, okay, code blocks 16.01 min.gw setup.exe. Don't worry about these numbers or 16.01, because these are the different versions that are coming, and maybe you are seeing this video into the future and there will be some other version of code blocks available, so don't worry about that. Just make sure it's a min.gw and setup.exe file. Go to any one of the link, that is sourceforge.net or FossHub. Alright, just click on this and it will start downloading it. I already have this download, so I'm gonna just cancel this, but you just click over here and keep installing. Just go to the next, and it's very easy to install this. And apart from that, there are other IDEs available too. Let me just cancel this because I already have this, and there are another IDEs available on the that you want to work on, like Turbo C++ or DEV C++, so it doesn't matter at all, but as long as you are comfortable with using anything, you will be easily comfortable. Alright, so install it and open it, and you will be seeing this thing, and there is create a new project, open existing project, or whatever. So just click on the create a new project. Sorry. For general purpose programming language, we're going to use this console application, which has the complete compilers and output sources and everything, and that header files included into them. What are these? We will talk about them later, but just for general purpose programming, you have to use console application. Click on go. There is make sure this is language as C++. Go to the next, and you can name whatever you want to name your project. I'm gonna just type YouTube C++. Alright, and create a folder in whatever the files of this particular project will be saved, and click on next, and you are good to go. And yeah, make sure it's a GNU GCC compiler that you choose. It's for C++ programming language, and this is let me just show you. Click on the source and then go to the main.cpp, that is C++ extension file, and you can see this thing. This is actually a program which just print this word hello world into the output screen. Just get a sense of this, because this is where the most of your programming is gonna be happening. And to run this program, into building and running this program into the compiler, you just click this button with a play, and behind it it's a setting thing. So just click this, and it built this program, and hello world is printed around here. So this is all from this lecture, this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching, and I will just tell you about everything in this code blog into the next tutorial. So please watch that. Have a great day, guys. Thank you very much.